Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. So in today's episode we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement expedited. However, this is a milestone because for the first time in my life, the tweezer test failed me. Now what happened is the pins were broke, about 4 or 5 of them were broke, but they were broke above the solder point. And generally when the tweezer test is done, you test the connection right at the solder point. So it failed me, man, for the first time in my life. But anyhow, we got the bad port off. That's actually another way I discovered it was bad, because I was like, well, let's just remove it to see. And I noticed there was several pins still attached, about 4 or 5. I want to say 5 if I had to guess the exact number, but go ahead and get some fresh SATA, and then we just need to attach the new port and update the client. I love how it always sounds all brutal. There we go. We also have to address that metal displacement and update the client as far as not playing the unit vertical goes. Metal displacement taken care of. Alright, so that's the post. Those are the pins. Just wanted to admire how clean it is now too. Alright. Yay, we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe.